My name is JC Paulai. I'm the owner of Blue Diamond Air Solutions. We provide air duct cleaning, air filter replacement, and dryer vent cleaning. Our job is basically to come into your house and make sure you're breathing clean air. The EPA says that indoor air is almost 90 times more polluted than outdoor air. Most people spend a lot of their time indoors. It's a huge deal to make sure the air you're breathing every day, especially your kids and your pets, is clean. Dryer vent cleaning is one of our most commonly used services. You're supposed to get it done at least once a year. A lot of people will let their dryer, it gets too hot or it doesn't work very well. And actually 1 in 5 fires in the whole United States, 1 in 5 house fires is from a clogged up dryer vent. You can imagine the dryer vent is only this big, so when it gets clogged with lint, the dryer keeps working and working and people think, oh, why are my clothes not getting dry? So they keep pressing it and the lint gets hot and eventually fire. Relatively easy process for us. It takes about 30 minutes. I wouldn't recommend trying to do it by yourself. We can come in for a minimal fee and we knock it out, and it's a big deal.